What's up, guys? It's a girl KK official here. So today I'm gonna cut my hair. Like parts of me I said don't do it, and next part I said girl do it because your hair damaged. So here I'm gonna grow back anyway. Take it. So me I go just cut it. Hopefully go good, cause me afraid. So yes, guys, me I wait till my turn. I'm going to go cut my ear. I'm gonna make gonna see how it go. How it go. See, girl, natural out there. So me I just cut off first. Alright, so guys, my dad tell him oh I want the ear for this. So I start off I tell him I want the side short and the top short. You know say I'm hard for please because like every time when I look back on the ear me I say I want it go down shorter and shorter. So him that take him time I cut it with the scissors. Right, so again, guys, me I tell the barber for cut down the ear lower. I tell us I'm half please, oh God, man. And him still did I try. Him still did I try work out something for me. But I'm gonna keep on watching. And we'll see how it come out. Alright guys, so this is the end look. I'm never really to get what I want, but let's move on to the next day. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I go about bleach and dyeing my hair. Alright, so I will be using basic white. So these are some rock toes. Basic white that I bought at the shop. That's the put on the ear lining. The color that I will be using, I got some red also. This is volume 40. What I'm gonna actually mix with the basic whites and my shampoo and conditioner to wash out my hair. And a little mixing bowl and have this disposable part when I use to mix the basic whites and the volume 40. So let's get in the video. So first thing, I'm gonna fix my hair. So guys, just make sure this is the first time actually what's up? So now guys, I have my little container and my little part. So I have about 4 sachets of basic white and I'm going to use them all. Not sure how much I'm going to use, but I'm going to use them all guys. So let's do it. Guys, this is the amount I got from the 4 pack. Now what I'm gonna do next, guys, I'm gonna mix it with the volume 40. I'm just gonna pour. Yeah, I don't really sure how much I'm gonna, but just pouring some. Guys, when I started to mix the basic white and the volume 40, I never know say so it's strong. It nearly knocked me off. So here I'm just mixing it in. This is how it looks. Wow, should it be thick like this? I think it's gonna need more volume 40, guys. I'm not sure if it should be thick like that, so just gonna point somewhere of the. Alright, so guys, I just mix it out until it was a little runny. Then I use the gloves, guys, because I didn't want to use any brush to apply it to my hair. So I just put on the gloves and then I use the glove to apply it to my hair. Apply this baby to my hair. Guys, when I apply it to my ear, man, I tell you it's strong, it's strong, it's strong, it's strong, it's strong. So till you never know so it's strong. Alright, so guys, by the time I finish apply the basic white to my hair, this was how it look. The color start to change. So I just leave it in my hair for about 15 to 30 minutes. So this is how it looks. What I'm gonna do next is wash this right out. I'm not showing everything. Alright, so guys, here I'm washing it out. I never show no when I apply the shampoo and the conditioner and all these things, but yeah, this is a little clip of me washing out my hair. Guys, this is the color I'll be using, apple red. So I start earlier and this is how it looks, so I'm just gonna continue it. Let's see how this gonna work, how this gonna come out. So guys, I'm just applying the dye to my hair. Eventually I use the full bottle. So this was how it looks. Then after, guys, I just massage it in my hair. Alright, so yes guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna leave it in for about 30 minutes. Yes, the container said 25 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it in for 30 minutes and then wash it out and be right back. Alright, so guys, this is how my hair looks after leaving in the dye for about 30 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do, yes guys, I washed it out already. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some eco gel to my hair so that it can look curly. Alright guys, so this is the end look when I rubbed up the eco gel in my ear. Guys, maybe I try the edges, but the edge them not do, so I have to just work with it like this. So yes guys, hope you like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.